Welcome to this video on how and why to use the Dubb teleprompter across the Chrome extension, desktop app, mobile app, and basic website recorder. Let's jump in. The one thing we don't want to be doing when we're recording a video in sales is searching for the words, stats, or brand phrasing, as it's going to take us out of the moment when we're trying to truly connect with the person on the other end receiving this video. Enter your new best friend, the teleprompter. The teleprompter will enable you to be incredibly efficient and effective. You won't have to memorize scripts as you might be doing many sales videos throughout the day to many different contexts. Now, having the words right in front of you will enable you to save time and say the things in the best way possible. Here are some great tips. Begin and end your videos with a smile. It's the first and last thing someone sees, and it really enables you to connect. Always give the script a practice read out loud. That way the words won't surprise you. Make sure to study the script for moments and beats. A beat is where you pause for effect, and moments are where you choose to emphasize certain words or phrases. What's the best way to do this? With tonality. If something is a bit lighter and fun, verbally show that. If it is a bit more serious, verbally show that as well. From a technical perspective, about an arm's distance away from the camera, and make sure your eyes are at the top horizon line of the teleprompter script, and let the words just flow up to you. What you don't want to do is search down for the words. Choose the correct speed for you, and if it feels too fast, most likely, you're probably chasing the words and it is too fast. Just make sure you choose the correct text size as well, and hit the pause button if you need to take a break. And if there's a call to action at the end of the video, always remember to point down to that button when you mention it. Lastly, be yourself. Lean into your individuality. Now more than ever, the personal is the professional. This was delivered with a teleprompter. Here's how you use the basic webcam recorder teleprompter. I'm going to click up into here to find my script, just like we did before. I can create a new script, or I can search here or put the name in of the script that I am looking for. In this case, it's going to be my test script. It's going to drop down here. Now from here, I can back the text off, or I can zoom it in like we saw before. I can also control the speed. For me, 190 is pretty good, but I can adjust this up or down. I can hit the play button, see if I like it, and again, make the adjustments. And then when I hit record, I'm gonna let the words flow into the top eye line, and it would look something like this. I'm gonna hit record, and I can pause and resume. Hi, this is Rob from Dubb. We are the sales operating system. We use video, automation, and contact management to create connections, conversations, and conversions. And again, I can hit the pause button right down here if I want to stop, and I can hit resume. There are a number of aspects to Dubb. There is the recording of videos, the customization and professionally packaging of those videos. So again, you can see the motion there. And if I want to close the teleprompter, right over here to the top, you can close it. Now let's take a look at what the mobile app teleprompter is like right here. So if you tap this one here, this one's really good. So you can go right up in here, find the script that you're looking for. I'm going to select, let's go this one. Here's my speed, auto scroll, just like all the other teleprompters you've seen, between 1 and 10. I'm going to choose my speed. I can test the speed by hitting the play button right here, see if I like it. And then I also can edit right here if I want to make some changes. Sometimes you're reading a script, you're like, you know what, I forgot to add something. You can click the pencil icon, make your changes, save it. And then when you hit record, you're going to let the words flow up, just like we talked about before. Now, if you find that your eyes are cheating and they're looking down, you're not keeping them up here, what you can do is use the guardrails to the right and just slide it up. So now it does not matter if you look down because there are no words down there. So you can't cheat and look down. You got to keep your eyes up here. And if you don't, you're not doing that. You don't have to worry about it. There's a little gear icon here to the left. Sorry, Android users. It's coming for Android. I don't know what exact date, but it's coming. iPhone people, you'll be happy. You can click this right here. And there's auto scroll and auto track. Auto scroll is what it's on right now for the speed, but you can switch it to auto track. If you do, then when you hit record, it's going to highlight the words as I'm reading them like this. Dubb's features are designed to help your team grow and succeed. Collaborate, manage large teams, and maintain consistency across your content. So that's called auto track, and it's right here, and you can select it just like that. When you're done with the teleprompter, just tap the X and it's closed. Here's a brief overview of how to use the teleprompter with the Chrome extension. Within the Chrome extension here, when you open it up, you're going to go to the right-hand side and click the teleprompter on or off icon. This will turn it on. You can search for the script in here by scrolling or put the name of the script that you're looking for. Now you can physically move this wherever you would like to move the script. If you have a webcam arm that's going in front of the screen on the left or right hand side, maybe you want to put it behind there so your eyes are closest to the teleprompter and the webcam. If your camera is towards the top on a webcam or an internal laptop, just move it to the top of the screen. Inside here, you'll notice that we can see the entire script. If the entire script is showing, this will not scroll. So we've got to zoom the text in by hitting the plus button here. How far you zoom it in is up to you. You can back it off by doing that. I'm going to go about this distance here. I can hit the play button to see how fast the words are going or slow. I can adjust the speed right here. This is between 1 and 10. I can make the adjustments up or down, and then hit the play button again to check to see if I like it. I also can manipulate the sides if I want to make this a little thinner, a little wider. Right here is about pretty good for me. And in terms of actually using the teleprompter on the Chrome extension, because the Chrome extension is browser-based, you don't want to go full screen in your browser because it will hide the teleprompter tab. You want to be able to leave a little bit of space at the top like I have here. So if the teleprompter drops behind there, when you hit record, all you have to do is tap the teleprompter to bring it forward and to be able to use it. And again, you want to make sure that the speed is at the most natural speed for you. And here Darius is going to show us how to use the teleprompter within the desktop app.
And the ability to turn the teleprompter on or off. Make sure when you select your script, you can automatically scroll that. And when you press record, it will begin to automatically scroll at the speed that you've designated. Also be sure that your microphone is working prior to recording by observing the microphone bounce there. And you can also change to the microphone device that you prefer.
Thanks for watching this video. We will see you at the next one.